Ready? Or at least for 5 seconds. No, him. He's gonna hold it. He's gonna like...
Oh, I'm videotaping.
You're videotaping?
Uh-huh.
I knew that.
There you go, stick out your tongue for the folks. Ready? You want to try again? You want to try again? Let's try again.
Holding up the U.S. Open Cup. It may be the U.S. Open Cup, but it belongs to the Seattle Sounders.
Oh, that one's tougher.
Right on the face.
There you go. There you go. Let's see you roll. This is going to be a tougher one because you don't have your arm under you.
Come on. Do it. Oh.
There you go.
Come on.
His arm isn't under him, so it's
Yeah.
a little more difficult. He's picking up his head, though.
Uh-huh.
There you go. You
Come
got
on,
it.
buddy.
You got it. Yeah. You got it, bud.
I know. Oh, it's okay. Come on. You can do it. Not so much, huh? It looks like he's doing a jig with his back end. Come on.
Get this arm under. There. Now try it.
Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Oh. You're lifting your head up. Good job. Yeah. Good job. Ezzy. Come on, Bubba. Come on, Bubba.
He's like, oh, this kind of tastes good.
Freshly washed.
Yeah, it's hard to believe that they used to tell you to keep your baby on his stomach.
Yeah. I'm surprised we survived.
I know, right?
So many things can go wrong. Come on, Bubba.
Come on, you gonna roll?
Come on.
Here.